Here's a quick video to show you how you can airdrop files from your Mac computer to your other Apple devices like iPhone or iPad. The normal way, the regular way, is whenever you are accessing a file like this by going to any of the folders over here. And if you want to send this file, you can right-click or use your two fingers to tap on the trackpad. You will get these options. You can click on Share, and then you get the option to airdrop. Once you click on that option, and you have got the other device in someone's hand or on your own hand, you will get that device here and you can tap on that and it will be sent. This is the regular way. I have created a shortcut to make it even easier. And the shortcut is based on a utility, which is a paid utility. And it got famous last year, which was Notch Drop. So some developer utilized this notch area on MacBook 16 and all the MacBook computers that have got these notch. Whenever if you had to send a file to someone, all you had to do is drag your file over to this area and drop it. It would work in a similar manner, like it will open the airdrop pop-up where you will be able to select that person's device and send it. Quite similar to that, I created a shortcut and it's totally free. You can download my shortcut from the link in the description, or you can create your own. This is the shortcut, and I have added the icon of the shortcut in the docs area. Now, if I have to send a file to someone, all I have to do is drag that file over to this, and this will work in a similar manner. It will pop up the airdrop feature where I will be able to select anyone's device. Alternatively, you can highlight a particular file which you want to send or number of files. If I want to send 2 files, I can select these files. Once these files are selected, all I have to do is go here and click on this icon. It works in a similar manner. Opens the pop-up where the device will be visible and I will be able to send it. I think it is a little faster than doing a right-click, then selecting Share, and then selecting this. So it requires 3 clicks, whereas this requires only 2 clicks, or maybe this one only requires 1 click. Now, if you want to see what the shortcut looks like, here is the shortcut. I will click on Edit, and this is how it looks like. It has got actions, and it will get the selected file, and then it will open AirDrop, and then you can AirDrop the file. You can download my shortcut from the link in the description. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.